This is going to be great if you're looking for some privacy tint. You can see here, I missed this corner. I'll give you a tip here in a second, but you can see what it looked like before. But this one on the door is 5%, so you can't see through from the outside. But what I recommend is when you're cutting this, the adhesion is actually really good. But what you want to do is you want to overlay the tint and then cut into it when you shape it. So the mistake I did over here is I had cut the inside and I didn't look at the left side. But these have been holding up. I think it's been about 2 or 3 summers now. It's super easy to use, very easy to clean. Let me show you the difference with the 35%. It does have 99% UV protection. This is the 35% and it still keeps the house really cool. So it just depends on how much privacy you want. So with this one, you can still see inside, but it's still pretty dark. The 5% we were just looking at, you can't see inside. So unless it's really dark and you have a lot of lights on the inside. So I highly recommend this if you're looking to keep your environment cool and you want a little bit of privacy. They do have a lot of other ones as well, but we ended up doing a 35 on our glass and then 5% on the door.